Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 38 of the daily crypto installment program. I'm still not bored with my daily installments, so I'm continuing. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. I made these transactions on February 17th, 2025. I was short on cash at the time, and I wanted to order food online, but it didn't work out, so I ended up making instant noodles. Today, I want to discuss a comparison, and GT, RippleNet versus traditional banks. What's the difference? Imagine you work abroad and want to send money to your parents in Indonesia. Or for parents whose children are studying abroad and want to send money to their children from Indonesia. If you use a regular bank, delivery time can take 2 to 3 days. Transfer fees can reach hundreds of thousands. Process complicated, sometimes requiring a visit to a branch. If you use the RippleNet system, time, a few seconds, fee, only a small fraction, process, can be done directly from the app. RippleNet is like a dedicated highway for sending money across borders, and XRP is used as the fuel. I'm not a migrant worker, but I'm buying XRP in installments because I see this technology as real and useful. If you have parents or retirees who want to understand how XRP works, share this video with them. Then, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you tomorrow.